So is the tornado coming straight to us or not?
Oh, do you see that? This thunder. There might be a tornado. Oh. Is it raining?
No.
Nope, not raining. How is there thunder and it's not raining? Oh, it's really windy. Yeah, guys, there's a tornado warning, and there might be and we live where like one of the tornado warnings is. So we might have to leave the house. The house might be destroyed. I don't really know. Oh, it's really windy.
What do you expect? I'm scared.
Is it raining?
Come over here.
Oh, it's getting really windy.
Bye, guys.
There might be a tornado over there. Guys, I think we might have to leave the house because it's getting really windy outside. Oh, I think a tree just fell down. Alex, we gotta get our shoes on.
Where's my shoes?
We really gotta leave.
Where are my shoes?
Oh gosh, the sirens are coming back on.
Do I go to Walmart or anything?
Oh gosh, it's really windy. Look how it's raining. The first time like a tornado ever came close. How did water get it over here? Oh.
We have numerous tornado warnings now. We have at least 3 particularly on this line and numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. And we have very dangerous weather moving into the greater Cincinnati metro area at the moment. So again, let's zoom back into Hamilton County because this is the most heavily populated area. And the storms down here in northern Kentucky, we're going to get to them.
Oh, the power just went out on TV.
Well, can you please close the damn door?
Oh, this is not good. That thing just turned off. Where's my flashlight?
So are you gonna go somewhere or not?
No, but you know outside. Turn that off, Junior, please.
Oh, this is bad.
Ice?
I think it's ice falling. Yeah, there's ice falling.
Oh, wow.
Look at the tree over there. It's shaking really bad.